My name is Sapna Dhamija, one of the IELTS expert trainers at Green Matters. In today's video, I'm going to share the idea how to get more than 7 bands. So for this, you have to avoid these 20 words. Let's get started. हमें अपने स्कोर को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए इन 20 वर्ड्स को अवॉइड करना है और उसकी जगह पर हमें ज़्यादा फॉर्मल वर्ड्स यूज़ करने हैं। कई बार स्टूडेंट्स बहुत इनफॉर्मल वर्ड्स यूज़ करते हैं जिसकी वजह से वो एग्जाम में अच्छा बैंड स्कोर अटेन नहीं कर सकते। अगर आप सच में आइल्स में मोर देन 7 बैंड्स अटेन करना चाहते हैं तो आप इन वर्ड्स को अवॉइड कीजिए और उसकी जगह पर ज़्यादा फॉर्मल वर्ड्स यूज़ कीजिए। फर्स्ट, पीपल. So many students write that people. So instead of people, you can write individuals. You can write masses as well. Or if you are targeting a particular section of society, a particular section of people, so you can put the name over there. For example, older one, younger one, employers, employees as well. So I recommend instead of people, use these formal words. Understand it with the help of example. Nowadays, many individuals prefer to work in multinational companies, right? So in this way, you can put masses, or if you're talking about younger people, so you can say younger one, or you are targeting employers, so you can say employers as well. Second, bad. Some students write, I have a bad experience or a bad impact. So rather than writing bad, you can use horrific or negative. I had quite horrific experience, or it left a negative impact on my life, rather than saying bad impact. Third, kids. Sometimes students write kids. So instead of kids, I recommend write children, youngsters, teenagers, and more specific if we are talking about the small children, the junior one, so you can say infants. So rather than writing kids, you can choose these formal words. Stick to these formal words, so you'll be able to get more score. Love. Many a time students do a big blunder or big mistake, either in their speaking or in their writing. I love coffee, I love pizza, I love that destination. So it's a highly informal word. So I suggest avoid this word. Instead of this, I prefer, I like, or there's one more good phrase, keen on plus present participle. Keen on interest, keen on doing that. For example, I prefer coffee than tea. I like pizza. I like Agra. I like that destination. Or I'm keen on doing that particular work, right? So instead of a lot of, some students write a lot of. So rather than a lot of, you can use a great deal of or plethora of. For example, I like to read a lot of books. So it's quite informal. Rather than a lot of, you can use I like to read a great deal of books or plethora of books, a great deal of knowledge, a lot of information, instead a great deal of information. Next, avoid abbreviations. It's quite important part in IELTS writing task too. Some students generally use abbreviations. For example, info, TV, uni, a cop, fridge. So you have to write a complete word. Information, television, university, a policeman instead of a cop, a policeman, fridge, refrigerator. So you'll have to write the complete word rather than using abbreviations. In the nutshell, in my previous videos, I told you in the nutshell is quite informal word. So avoid using it in your conclusion part. Instead of in the nutshell, you can use more formal in conclusion or to conclude. Lots of. Many students write lots of people, lots of things, lots of restaurant. So instead of lots of, many people, many children, many individuals. So you can use many instead of lots of. Next, a couple of. Some students write a couple of people think that. So instead of a couple of, many or several. A couple of countries do this agreement. So many countries or several countries. So on and etc. When students have the more idea, then they generally write so on and etc. So it is quite informal. You have to write, I like reading books, newspaper, magazines, and so on. It is quite wrong. You have to write, I like reading books, newspaper, and magazines. So avoid so on and etc. in your IELTS writing task 2. Give. You have to use this meaning at different places in a different way. You can use offer, provide, impart. For example, some students write universities give information. So rather than writing give, universities provide information. Or library gives books to the students. So library offers books to the students. Impart, this school gives a quality education to the student. This school imparts a quality education to the student. So have to use offer, provide और impart instead of give. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप एजुकेशन के बारे में बात कर रहे हो तो आप गिव की बजाय इम्पार्ट वर्ड का यूज कर सकते हो. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप नॉलेज की बात कर रहे हो या किसी सर्विस की बात कर रहे हो तो वहाँ पर प्रोवाइड और ऑफर वर्ड का यूज कर सकते हो इंस्टेड ऑफ गिव. Think is also an informal word in IELTS writing task 2. Some people think this, some people think that. So instead of think, use consider or assert. Some people consider this, some people assert that, some people consider that, right? Many students write very much in their writing, so it's quite informal. Instead of very much, you can use profusely or profoundly. I'm very much interested in that. So rather than very much, you can use I am profusely interested in that particular thing, or I am profoundly interested in reading books. Next, very interesting. Instead of very interesting, you can say fascinating. Very interesting movie. Rather than very interesting, fascinating movie. What a fascinating place. So especially you will use in speaking part. Very poor. Many a times we have to write about the society, about the section of the society. Very poor, very rich. So avoid the very poor and very rich. Rather than very poor, you can use destitute or impoverished. So these two words you can use, destitute or impoverished. Destitute people live around me, or I live in an impoverished area, or I am surrounded by impoverished people. Rich, very rich, he is very rich. Rather than very rich, he is well off, or he is a wealthy person. Or prosperous, you can use prosperous too. Very big, so the place is very big. Instead of very big, you can use enormous. So there is a big park, or there is a big restaurant. You can use there is an enormous park, there is an enormous library, or there is an enormous place in my hometown. Stuff, it's strictly prohibited. IELTS examiner never accept this word, but many students use food stuff, that stuff, the clothing stuff and all that. So avoid this word in your writing and speaking part as well. You have to avoid this stuff. Like from my previous stuff, I got a lot of pain. So rather than using stuff, from my past experience, I got a lot of pain. Rather than stuff, you have to use a particular word which refers to that word. Next, so difficult. So it is so difficult, or it was so difficult. It is extremely difficult. It is extremely difficult to deal with handicapped, or it is extremely difficult to deal with problem people. Next, useful. Useful is not informal word, but instead of useful, you can use more good words, beneficial or advantageous. this thing is advantageous for students, or watching TV somehow is beneficial because they improve their knowledge. So instead of these informal words, try to use more formal words. Stick to these more formal words. You'll be able to get good band score in your IELTS writing task too. If you like this video, so please subscribe it and don't forget to comment in below comment section, and please share this video as well. Thank you.